friends, welcome to our channel EdTech Pro. In the previous video, I have explained you about the importance of sounds. In this video, I'm going to tell you a lots of information about introduction to phonics. There is a lot of connection between sounds and also phonics. Phonics are nothing but sounds. Let us see what is a phonics and how those are useful to your child and how they are helpful to your child in their education. Introduction to phonics. For example, if you are the parent of a beginning reader, this is the right time we have to know about the phonics. Why? Because if your child is starting stage in education, nothing but they are going to starting step to their education, we must and surely we have to know about this phonics. Why? You got a question like why we have to know about phonics? Why our child has to learn about this phonics? Why? Because it is nothing but an easy way to learn so many words and also sentences and also language. This is the correct time you have to know about the phonics. If you are the parent of a beginning reader, if they have already learned so many letters and already learned so many words, then it's a different thing. Then also it is useful. We can make them at any stage. But if you are the parent of a beginning reader, then it will be helpful a lot about their education. Before that, we have to know about what is phonics. Yes, what is phonics? Phonics is the way how we teach to read, write and spell. Why our child is used to learn the letters like A, B, C, D, E like that? Why? Because all these letters will help to learn the words, isn't it? All those words will helps to write sentences or tell sentences, isn't it? All these sentences will help to make a paragraph, and paragraphs means like a story or whatever it may be, or to talk. How they have to learn all these things from the starting letters onwards, means nothing but alphabet onwards. Phonics is the way how we teach to read, write and spell. It is nothing but a study of sounds only. It is a method of learning sounds. That is why I have explained you about the importance of sounds in the previous video. There is a lots of connection between sounds and phonics. Phonics are nothing but sounds only. Nothing is there. But how sounds are important, how sounds are helpful to read and write and also spell any words or read anything or write any sentences, how it helps. This is nothing but a phonics. Why we have to make our children to learn phonics? If you observe, phonics is knowing that sounds and letters have a good relationship. If you observe, for example, letter A is there. What is the name of that letter? The name of the letter A is A. But if you observe, it says in a different sound. Like, I'll tell you one example. Apple. A-P-P-L-E. How can we write the word apple? A-P-P-L-E. A-P-P-L-E, apple. Then how do we pronounce that word apple? Ah. If you observe, there is no sound in the word apple like ye. We used to pronounce the word apple as apple only. We are not at all pronouncing the word apple as apple. No, right? And I'll give you one more example. For example, the word doll is there. Doll. How do we pronounce the word doll? Doll. It's a doll. It is a doll. It is a doll. Doll. And what's the name of the starting letter in the word doll? D. D-O-L-L, doll. If you clearly observe, the name is different, but while pronouncing that word, the sound is different. The letter D says the sound like D, 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 D. Yes. In our old generation, nothing but if you go to the 90s education, we all are learning in such a way like APP, apple, BAT, bat, CAT, cat, DOG, dog, EGG, egg, like that they used to learn. Even I also used to learn so many words in that way only. But now I have realized that phonics are very easy to learn so many words, and it is not at all make me wrong mistake. That is what the beauty of the phonics. So I have for example, the word apple is there. APPLE, apple. BAT, bat. CAT, cat. DOG, dog. If you observe, the name of the letter is different, the pronunciation of that word is different. Yes, we will confuse. If we are following in that way, we have to learn at least 1000 or 2000, at least 5000 words we have to read in our daily life in that way. Like for example, the theme, the content which is there in the screen right now, how do a first class children or second class children used to read? PHONICS, phonics, ISEs, NO, KNOWING, knowing, THAT, that. They, if you observe, so many children are used to read anything in this way. Yes or no? Means they have to pronounce the word in such a way. In such a way means nothing but PHONICS. Why? Because they don't know the word, how to pronounce that word. That is why they used to PH. If you observe, while pronouncing the word phonics, there is no P in the sound. And one more important thing is, while reading in such a way, their slang, their style is different. It is like a it seems like a butler English. While reading, it is not at all listens good. But while they used to learn, they used to read any word or any sentences with the help of sounds, it will be like a professional. Fluency will be there. The slang is very excellent. Why? Because they know the exact sounding of that letter of that word, like a American English. That is what the beauty of sounds. That is why they have to learn the sounds. If you observe, these changes you can observe in their pronunciation. This is all about the importance of phonics. In the next video, in the next upcoming video, I am going to explain each and every letter sound in a detailed explanation. So thank you everyone. Please do like and subscribe to our channel EduTech Pro. Thank you.